peppers on a chipped old board. April's laughing at the way I pour. Too much salt in the simmering pan. She taps my wrist, says trust the plan. Cutting up peppers on a chipped old board.
Hey guys, so today we are making some carnival treats. We are going to make funnel cakes. I have some of my grandkids here, so we're going to make funnel cakes and have some fun. See you at the carnival.
Stir it up, taste a little lean. Every small moment feels like a week.
So we're just going to give this a good mix. So I brought a pre-made box. I remember we used to make these back in the days, and we used pancake mix. I remember that. We used to use pancake mix, but I brought this pre-made box off of Amazon, and I will leave the information in the description where you can purchase it. So this is the box of funnel cakes that I'm using. Like I said, I'll leave the link in the description.
Little mess, lot of grateful. Steam on the windows, heart on the stove. This is the place our stories get told.
Up first, and he's gonna make this first.
From a crooked phone, bare feet sliding on the tile like home. She smears sauce on my cheek, I check.
Okay, next we got Katie
fingerprints on
making his funnel cake.
Cooking in the kitchen with April. Time slows down at the table. Stir it up, taste a little lean in. Every small moment feels like a weekend. Cooking in the kitchen with April. Little mess, lot of grateful. Steam on the windows, heart on the stove. This is the place our stories get told.